Hello friends, my name is Sejal and today I am showing you how to make a simple white Christmas wreath. So this is the woolen cloth I got from Walmart and I cut a strip out of that. I got this from Dollar Tree, this as well from Dollar Tree. Now gluing this strip to the styrofoam ring. And covering the full ring with this strip. Now I have covered it fully with the woolen cloth, and now taking the tree from this branch, and I don't want this green part, so I removed it. And this beautiful ornament I got from Walmart. So gluing this in the middle of the ring. And gluing these two beautiful flowers on the side of the ring. I took a small bunch of berries from this branch and put it in the middle of the flowers. And from this glittery cloth, I cut a long ribbon and using it to hang this wreath. And as this reindeer was not sturdy enough, I used a thread to give it extra support. As simple as that, we are done here. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays. Bye bye.